Hello, and welcome to the PennEnergy Video News Update for the first week of March. I'm Stacy Schmidt. A reported airstrike near a major oil terminal in Libya has pushed the price of oil up past $102 a barrel on the NYMEX, and Brent crude is trading near $120 in London. The EIA reports that production in the OPEC member nation has been slashed by 1 million barrels of oil a day due to operators shutting in production, evacuating staff, as well as the erupting violence across the country. What started as protests in Egypt in early February has also spread to Libya, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, Yemen, and Iraq. Based on fears that civil unrest in the Middle East and North Africa will disrupt oil supplies, global markets have been investing in oil, pushing the price higher despite a major gain in stocks in Cushing. In the U.S., the BOE MRE granted the first deepwater drilling permit to Noble Energy. It's the first since the Macondo accident last April. The drilling application is for a bypass to a well on Mississippi Canyon Block 519, offshore Louisiana. Initial drilling on the well began in April, but was stopped on June 12, 2010, under the drilling moratorium. Noble has contracted the Helix Well Containment Group for use of its subsea capping stack should a blowout occur. While most petroleum organizations applaud the granting of the first permit, many remain skeptical. Interior Secretary Ken Salazar reassured that more permits are soon to follow. In other offshore news, Petrobras has confirmed the massive potential of its Iara oil and natural gas field in the pre-salt of the Santos Basin offshore Brazil. An extension well on the reservoir has confirmed the high-quality oil measuring 28 degrees API, and estimates for the production potential for Iara are between 3 and 4 billion barrels of oil equivalent. Petrobras has already awarded a subsea contract on the development, as well as ordered an FPSO for the Iara field. In shale news, South Africa's Sasol has completed the $1 billion acquisition from Talisman Energy of 50% interest in its Monte Shale acreage in northeastern British Columbia, Canada. Sasol hopes to gain shale development experience to utilize in South Africa, where the Karoo Basin is beginning to gain interest for its shale potential. Additionally, Range Resources has sold its Barnett Shale properties for $900 million, marking a shift for the major U.S. natural gas producer to focus on its Marcellus Shale acreage. In the Permian Basin of West Texas, Approach Resources continues to add to its acreage with another acquisition this week. The company has doubled its operating budget and plans 46 wells in the Wolfcamp Shale, Wolf Fork Formation, and Canyon Sands. In major M&A news, France's Total has signed 2 memoranda of cooperation agreements with Russia, paying $4 billion for a 12% stake in Russian firm Novatek and gaining 20% working interest in the Yamal LNG project. Thank you for joining us today. All these stories and more are available on PennEnergy.com. Stay up to date on the latest oil and gas news worldwide by signing up to receive our daily and weekly e-newsletters at PennEnergy.com. For PennEnergy, I'm Stacy Schmidt.